another beautiful day here in Ubud. Ubud. We're on our way to breakfast at the moment, and then we've got a driver for the day. So we're going to do some exploring, and then when we come back we've got a massage booked, which will be very nice. To go swimming, like some people are swimming, but the current's pretty strong. So this is another place where it's important to bring small change. There's more donations and things, and then you can pay like 10,000. Thank you. To come to an extra up the top here. There's a lot of stairs. It's very hot. Just constantly a bit sweaty.
This is the first one. We have the coffee tree. This is, we call it Robusta coffee bean. But right now, no big season of the coffee. This is the bean here. But that one not ready to pick. Becomes the red one, the skin. Already very dark color. We just take it and then we put in the wood and then we ground it like that. Yeah. And put here and we filter. Right now, I want to show you for the special coffee. Have you heard about the Luwak coffee come from the animal?
Yeah.
This is like a very unique coffee in Bali. It's like a most expensive coffee because it's long process. Yeah.
Right.
And this is the animal also only typical in Bali. They eat only the good coffee because the Luwak, they have like good instinct. They eat only the red berries and then they eat only the skin and then just they swallow the bean and then becomes like that.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is, we call it here like cappuccino.
Yeah. Yeah. Like cat food.
This is the white color. This one.
Yeah.
Already we clean, we wash hot water.
Yeah.
Have the last skin again. It's the bean inside. Yeah. It's not contact with the poo because the bean inside and the poo outside. Just like have fermentation. I will show you the animal also here. We have just a little bit here, like just for showing.
Yeah.
This is the male. You're tasting little bit sweet for the Luwak coffee because it's like a fermentation already. Like combination test.
Yeah. Wow. They're bigger than I thought they would be.
This is still pregnant.
Oh wow.
It's pregnant, the more bigger.
You can try some cat food coffee. So these are all the coffees and the teas that we are about to try here. And it's all complimentary, which is amazing. I do wish they were shots of alcohol instead of tea though. It's quite a big shot though. That's right. And we got some chips.
Look at the chips. Look at the crisps.
Yeah.
Do you want me to try one first?
Okay, you try one. Banana?
Yeah.
Cool.
Toasted savoury this time.
Very cool. So generous as well. This is all free. And we will not be trying that one.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. It didn't look friendly, did it?
No.
No.
I'd be pretty grumpy if I just shit out coffee every day.
We're at the Bali Swing now. There's actually multiple swings and you can go on all of them unlimited times, which is quite cool. I didn't actually realise that. So I'm going to go on this one first. Did we have a nice day? That was bad.
I knew you were filming.
We had a lovely day, and now we're off to get a massage. I'm so excited. I think I'm gonna fall asleep. I'm really tired again.
Look how big the ants are.
Are You just killed it. I was going to show how big the ant was. The Bali Swing was super cool, but it was very busy and it was also quite expensive. It's a bit of a tourist trap really, but it was fun. They kind of just charge that much because they can, I think. It was 35 US per person, so. You did get lunch though, that was good. Do we know where we're going? Trying to get to the spa. There it is, we found it.
Good afternoon. Hello.
Hi.
Welcome to Ubud Spa. Side please.
Thank you. What is it? Some kind of tea. Try it. No. Okay, I'll try it.
Try it. It smells like chocolate.
I think it's some kind of juice.
Oh.
Tastes good.
This for you.
Thank you. The spa is amazing. That was nice. Feeling very relaxed after my massage, very zen. Do you know where you're going? What are you doing? Oh, because it smells. That's been a great day. If you are ever in Ubud, I would highly recommend hiring a driver for the day. It was very handy.
Chocolate, please.
Currently 9 p.m. and I'm gonna go straight to bed because I'm so tired. That show was amazing though. Like it was so different to anything else I had ever seen before, which was really cool. Like in New Zealand we have the haka, and then I've seen the traditional dances in like Fiji and Samoa and the islands. They're all pretty similar, but that was just completely different to anything I'd ever seen, so that was very cool. It's a dead ant. It's not moving. It is pretty huge.
Oh yeah, that's neat, but it's not like the big ants.
Really? I'm pretty sure that's pretty big.
No, wait, no. Laura, I'll show you. Yeah.
We're going to Seminyak tomorrow. That should be fun.
Is it Seminyak or Seminyak?
I don't know. It's Seminyak. Maybe it's not Seminyak.
I think it's Seminyak.
Seminyak?
You can drive a cycle.
Seminyak.
Seminyak. You know, like